So we're here late at night with this 2005 model Mazda Tribute. It's a V6, and we've had a real drama getting this front engine mount in, but once you know how to do it, it's actually, well, it's still a bit of a bitch, but it's not the hardest job in the world. So we've got the Crossmember taken out from up here. It's the engine mount that lives in this location right there, right at the front of the car. So here's the Crossmember down here on the ground. There's the old one. She's broken. Okay, so how the hell do you get that thing inside there? Because down underneath that is this tiny little hole that this rubber diameter here is like a lot bigger than. So the answer is, what you have to do is you take this out and you get it over in the vise and you just force it in with a big bar like this. You force the small end into the hole inside there, and then what you have to do is go and get it over here on the press and press it in, but on an angle. So we had the bar, we had that socket up there like that. We had it on an angle with a plate like that up on top. So I've just gone and got the torch and shown you. So we put the whole cross member in there, jack it up with a socket there, that seemed to work. Now if you see how this isn't perfectly square, we put this plate here offset, pops one side in first, the other side in second, and you've got to put lots of spray and lube and all sorts of stuff on it, and then it pops through in underneath there. So it's a job, it's a difficult one, but once you know how to do it, it isn't that bad. So what you do again, you put it in the vise first, go the cross member in there, and you push it in with your big pry bar, just the first rubber mount, and then you take it to the press and you press the second one in. Not that easy, but that's what you got to do. Hope that helps.